Hey guys, this is another rice water video, but this time it will be showing you how to use it. So after my last video on how to make it, I got a lot of questions on how to use it, and these are my top 2 methods on how to use rice water. The first method you can use is the spray bottle method. This is where you just pour the rice water into the spray bottle and spray it directly onto your scalp and massage it in. Now this method you can leave in overnight, you can leave it, I think the longest I've left it in my hair is up to 7 days. It can start to itch, can start to be a bit uncomfortable, but that's really just the growth happening in your hair. Now I love this method, but I don't do it too often to avoid protein overload. So like you see, I have my protective styling. I was about to take it out in about 5 days, so that's when I started to do it. Not from the beginning, otherwise it messes up your hair quite quickly. So if you know you're going to wash your hair in the next 7 to 5 days, then I'd say use this method. The next method you can use is using it as a pre-shampoo. So when I do it as a pre-shampoo, I like to mix it with aloe vera, fresh aloe vera. This is because this will help me achieve a perfect balance of moisturizing my hair and getting the protein that it needs. You don't really want to have too much protein. You need to find the right balance between moisture and protein. And this is what mixing the rice water with aloe vera does. So in the video, you can just see me preparing my aloe vera, dicing it up into sections and scraping out the insides with a spoon. This can make your hands quite itchy, but it doesn't make your hair itchy, don't worry. So when you buy a whole leaf of aloe vera, you tend to get quite a lot. I don't use all of this in one. You don't need all of it. You only need about a quarter if we're being honest. So I tend to freeze the rest of it, and then that will last me up to 3 weeks as I wash my hair once a week. So every time I do it, I take a bit out and defrost it. So as you can see in this video, I'm putting it in a container ready to freeze. Now you do not have to use aloe vera. It is not a necessity when doing the rice water. You can literally just apply the rice water to your hair, wash it out, and then continue with your hair routine. And then you want to just blend this down. You don't necessarily have to blend it down, but I find this is the way to get it to the consistency that I want to when applying it to my hair. Sometimes you can get bits of aloe vera in your hair, which makes it a bit harder to wash out. So I just like to blend it down like you can see to make sure that the consistency is nice and smooth, ready to sieve. Now once your aloe vera is ready, you just want to get that rice water. If you don't know how to make it, I do have a previous video which I'll link below. So the rice water is ready and we just want to combine the two. So what we're going to do is get the aloe vera and then strain them both just into a bowl. So you want to add the rice water first. And then you want to pour in the aloe vera. We're doing this through a sieve to just make sure that the consistency is how you want it. Sometimes when I'm applying it to my hair, I'm left with bits in my hair that don't wash out that easily for me. So this is just a way to combat that. So it's not that hard to do. So once you've sieved through that, we are now ready to apply it to your hair. It's literally as easy as that. Now this is just me applying it to my hair. So you can see I've done my hair in 4 sections. Well, I will do it in 4 sections, and it's just in a bowl below me, and I'm dropping my hair down into it and picking it up and running it through my fingers. I'm not using a spray bottle as the aloe vera can tend to make it a bit thicker sometimes, and sometimes there might have been a bit of bits that drop through, and we just want to avoid getting this into our hair. So we don't use a spray bottle. We literally just dip our hair in it and massage it into the scalp, massage it into the hair, comb it through. Now this doesn't have to be done before you wash your hair. This can be your step that you do after you shampoo your hair and then as your deep conditioner. But then you want to make sure that you do wash it out. So it can be done first or after you shampoo. I just do it first now because I don't actually know. I feel like I can clean my hair better with the shampoo rather than doing it after. And then sometimes, like I said before, with the rice water there may be some bits or from the fleece flower root that you use, so you just want to make sure you get it out. So it just makes sense to do it before you shampoo it for me, really. Now that I'm finished, I'm just going to put a shower cap over my hair and leave it for an hour without heat or half an hour with heat. So now that you're done, you want to go ahead and shampoo your hair and basically just do your usual hair care routine. I don't know why I did this, to be fair. I hate when I see people in the shower doing this, because I'm just like, we know how to shampoo our hair. Everyone knows how to shampoo their hair. But I just thought I'd do it, so I did it in. Now, you do not only have to use rice water on your hair. You can also use it on your eyelashes. You can use it on your beard. You can use it just on your edges. You can use it wherever you like. As you wash your face daily, you can just keep putting it on every day. And with your edges, you can just add it on every day. It's not as extreme as doing it for your hair. It's as simple as that. I've officially given you my full hair wash routine, from the rice water to the shampoo to the deep conditioner and then my scalp oil. And this is the secret to growing your hair nice and healthy and long. So there's no more excuses as to why you can't do it and why you have no edges. This is the secret to it. Get on with it. Bye.